flying.
Mel and Kristen on a seesaw.
Oh no, Joe! Oh my God!
Did you know I'm like recording?
I gotta let them out or else it'll be worse later.
Okay, we better open like all the windows when we get to the house. The garlic's getting to Joe. Your hands, your thighs, I mean not thighs. Your only thighs. Your thighs. She likes his thighs. Wait, what did she say there? Your eyes. Your hands. Your hands? Your hair. Oh, your hair, your eyes, your only thighs. Yeah.
Wow. This is some pretty awesome seesaw action.
Ready? Watch. We're gonna do the blast off. No! Oh my God!
And here's Joe just sitting here. Say hi, Joe.
Ready? We're gonna do the blast off. Time for blast off again.
Alright, I think Joe needs a partner, so I'm gonna say goodbye now. Bye!